It looks like some people are doing some work to the track. I don't know, there's one jump here, but I did let the park department know that there is some work going on here, and obviously I can't stop anybody from doing anything, so I would just ask, just don't build any structures or anything. We don't want to interrupt anything with getting our permit and our track permanent in here. So if you do come over here and race and use this area and move stuff with a shovel, I don't think there's gonna be any issues. But I'll keep everybody updated as best I can. If anybody else hears anything, let me know. Just make sure to follow. I'm posting all this stuff on YouTube, along with some other stuff that I'm doing.